These giant structures operate around the world. My organization enables me to make their operations better. Hi, I'm Shreyas Chettri. I joined Tata Technologies as a postgraduate trainee. Today, I'm working here as a senior analyst. The career growth I achieved here wasn't without its challenges. I faced many of those, from selecting the right machine learning models to deploying computer vision and deep learning models. It's about finding the best approach to train models using videos and images, ensuring accuracy, and meeting customer requirements. The most exciting project I worked on was Smart MRO. Global airliners face operational delays. It's because when an airplane is grounded, it takes about 45 minutes and considerable manpower to conduct manual inspection and repair. Smart MRO automates the process through deep learning models and live streaming by integrating them with AR and VR. Now, only a few personnel can detect airplane defects in real time and store data. It can get each grounded airplane ready within 12 minutes, reducing the cost by 60%. Using Gen AI in our innovation, Smart MRO won us recognition at Tata Technologies Innovista. The role of continuous learning at Tata Technologies in my success has been fundamental. So far, I've got updated and trained on crucial topics such as Python, OpenCV, Gen AI models, and a lot of other key tools that help me progress. As I'm about to end my day at work, I get this feeling that I love the most. We're living a balanced life that's a good mix of great satisfaction as well as a drive to do better. At Tata Technologies, we're leveraging our vehicle software capabilities to engineer a software-defined future for everyone. Join us. Let's engineer a better world together.